This is a third part of Ultimate Conditioning series. Today's topic is overview of different energetic systems and introduction to types of muscle fibers. The human body is a remarkable machine that requires a constant supply of energy to function optimally, especially during physical activities. To meet this energy demand, our metabolism employs three primary energy systems, each tailored to the specific requirements of different types of activities. Understanding these energy systems is essential for athletes, trainers, and anyone looking to optimize their physical performance. There are three energy systems. The first system is called the ATP-Phosphocreatine system. Second is called the Glycolytic system, and last is called the Oxidative system. While each system has its specific role and characteristics, the body never solely relies on one system during any given physical activity. Instead, these systems work in harmony, adapting to the demands of the exercise to ensure a continuous supply of energy for muscle contractions. Well, at the start of any physical activity, there is an immediate need for energy. This is where the ATP phosphocreatine system comes into play. It provides rapid energy through the stored ATP and creatine phosphate in muscles. However, these reserves are limited and quickly depleted, which is when the other systems step in. So, if you are continuing in activity, the body transitions from ATP CP system to glycolytic system. The glycolytic system kicks in to provide additional energy. It primarily uses carbohydrates in the form of muscle glycogen or blood glucose and operates without oxygen, making it a valuable source for activities of moderate to high intensity. For sustained efforts, the aerobic support comes into play. For longer duration activities, especially during endurance events, the oxidative system takes over. It relies on oxygen to break down carbohydrates, fats, and even proteins, providing a more sustainable source of energy. This system can continue to supply energy for extended periods of time. Second part of this video is description of different type of muscle fibers in human body. Humans have many different types of fibers, but we usually focus on three main ones. The first is slow rate muscle fiber. These are great for endurance because they can work for a long time without getting tired. They don't provide strong bursts of power. They work slowly, taking about 110 milliseconds to contract. Each group of these fibers, a motor unit, contains around 10 to 180 fibers. The second type of muscle fibers are fast red muscle fibers. These fibers can work for a decent amount of time and are pretty good at resisting fatigue. They can produce a lot of power quickly. They contract at a medium speed, about 50 milliseconds per contraction. Each motor unit has about 300 to 800 of these fibers. The last type of muscle fibers are fast white muscle fibers. These fibers get tired very quickly and they are not great for endurance. However, they can produce a lot of power, making them useful for short bursts of intense effort. They contract at the same speed as fast red fibers, about 50 milliseconds per contraction. Each motor unit contains roughly 300 to 800 of these fibers. Your body is a mix of these fibers, and this mix is mostly determined by your genes, and in the general population there's typically an even balance between slow and fast muscle fibers. That's it for today's video, and in the next video I will introduce different energy systems your body uses to create energy.